Welcome to my channel. Let us learn how to evaluate this expression here on the board correctly. Now I come down here with a question. We have 9 plus 12 divided by 3 into 1 plus 1. When here, some persons will simplify this in this form. We have 9 plus 12, that gives 21 divided by 3 into 1 plus 1. Then again, they have 21 divided by 3, that gives 7 into 1 plus 1. Then, to simplify this, we have 7, 1 plus 1, that gives 2, and that is multiplication. Now, 7 times 2, that gives 14. But this answer is wrong, and this is the wrong approach. Now, still in the same expression, some persons will have this 9 plus 12 divided by 3 into 1 plus 1. Then have this 9 plus 12 divided by 3, then 1 plus 1, that gives 2, and that is multiplication here. Then to multiply this out, we have 9 plus 12 divided by 3 times 2, that gives 6. Then at this point, we have 9, 12 divided by 6, that gives plus 2. Then 9 plus 2, that gives 11. But this answer is still wrong, and as such, this is still a wrong approach. Now, to solve this correctly, we are going to have this 9 plus 12 divided by 3 into 1 plus 1. Here, we are going to apply PEMDAS, or we use BODMAS. We have this. Now, first, we are going to consider parentheses first. Here, from this row, we are going to treat the elements in the brackets or the parentheses. Now, we are going to have 9 plus 12 divided by 3, then 1 plus 1, that gives us 2, and that is multiplication. Then here, we have addition, we have division, we have multiplication, but we are going to consider these two first. We have multiplication and division. Now here, these two components have the same precedence here, multiplication and division. When the operation here is carried out left to right. That means we are going to consider division before multiplication, then addition lastly. In this case, we are going to have this 9 plus 12. 9 plus 12 divided by 3, that gives us 4, then multiplied by 2. But at this point, we are going to consider multiplication next. Now we bring 9 here plus 4 times 2, that gives us 8. But lastly, we consider addition. Now 9 plus 8, that gives us 17. And this is the correct answer to this expression right here on the board. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.